Namaste student. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is linear equation. So here we have the definition of equation. Let's see. An equation is a statement of equality of two algebraic expression involving one or more unknown quantities, that is variable. That means what? Let's try to understand this statement. An equation is a statement of equality of two algebraic expression. So what is algebraic expression? Combination of variable and constant. This is one algebraic expression. Now if we equate it with another expression, then this one is called equation. Two expression, equate it, and the whole thing will give you equation. Is it a standard form? No, it is not. We'll discuss later. Now if we'll take 2x plus 5 and if we'll say that's if I'll write 0, is it an equation? Yes, it is equation, because this is another presentation. This is one expression. Okay, 0. Now if we'll take 2x plus 5 equals to 9, one constant if we'll take. So 0 is also a constant here, 9 is also a constant. And if we'll take, can we say? Yes, it is an equation. So now, sir, if I'll take 3x square plus 4x plus 5 and if I'll write here 9x plus 2, is it an equation? Yes, it is equation, but it is not a linear equation. Why, sir? Because you can see the highest power, that is 2, that is a quadratic equation. If you bring this expression this side, solve it, that means 3x square plus 4x plus 5 minus 9x minus 2 equals to 0. 3x square minus 5x plus 3 equals to 0. This is standard one, and this is what you can see, the highest power is 2. This is quadratic equation, not linear. So let's see, what do you mean by linear equation? Here we have linear equation. An equation involving only linear polynomial is called a linear equation. Now we'll try to understand what do you mean by polynomial. So what is polynomial here? Let's see. An expression in which exponent of variable is a whole number. Like if we take 3x square plus 5x plus 3, this is polynomial. Why? Because it is an expression. Now if you see the power, you can see the power, nothing means 0. So 2, 1, 0, these all are whole number. If we get the exponent of the variable whole number, then this type of expression we call polynomial. So here, an equation involving only linear polynomial. You can see the example. So linear polynomial means 3x plus 5. So you can see that power is what? Highest? 1. So these are involved. Then this type of equation we call linear equation. And if we see here, if I take 3x plus 5y equals to 9 equals to 0, then you can see that power 1, 9, 0. But you can see two variable. Then this type of equation is called linear equation in two variable. You can see that two different variable. So in our syllabus we have only linear equation in one variable. We don't have this one right now. Okay. So polynomial means an expression in which the exponent of variable is a whole number. Like if I'll take 4x to the power minus 3 plus 4x plus 9, so is it a polynomial? No, you can see that minus 3 is there, and minus 3 is not a whole number. So this is only expression. If I'll write here 4x to the power 3 by 2 plus 2, so is it a polynomial? No, you can see that exponent of that variable is not a whole number. It's a just expression, not a polynomial. Okay, so here we're going to see this one. So let's see example. Few example we have here. You can see here 2x square plus 5x polynomial. So here example, by this example, by looking this example, you can understand that which are polynomial, which are just a expression. Remember, each polynomial is an expression, but each expression is not a polynomial, because the polynomial is the part of expression. Okay, so next we have definition of linear equation in one variable. So we'll discuss this one later. First we'll try to differentiate. Okay, we'll discuss this one, but let's try to understand expression and equation. If I'll take 3x plus 5 and if I'll write 3x plus 5 equals to 0, then this is your expression and this is your equation. There's a difference between these two is equals to 0. 4x square plus 5x plus 9, and if I'll write here 4x square plus 5x plus 9 equals to 0 or something, 5x plus 9, if we'll write like that also, then this is your equation and this is your expression. Wherever you see the equal to symbol and that expression convert into equation, just you imply here 0, apply, then it become a equation. Right now it is expression, just equate it to 0 or any number, any constant, we'll get what? Equation. So we have linear equation in one variable. So here we have definition. An equation of the form ax plus b equals to 0, where a is not equals to 0 and ab are real number. So question will arise, what is real number? I think you have seen the rational number. Yes. And this type of number you have seen. These are irrational number. These are rational number. Combine this type of whole number, this will give you real number. That means your a, x plus b equals to 0. A and b are real number. That means any value. But what? One condition has given, because 0 is also a real number. So they have given the condition that the coefficient of x, that means a, should not be equals to 0. Now question will arise, sir, again, that if I'll take a equals to 0, what will going to happen? For example, if we'll take 3x plus 5 equals to 0, this is just a linear equation in one variable. Now instead of 3, if I'll take 0 into x plus 5, let's see, 0 into x is what? X. X? No. 0 plus 5 equals to 0. And then 5 equals to 0. Is it possible? 5 equals to 0? No, it is not possible. That's why coefficient of x must not be 0. Yes, b can be 0. No problem. You may get 3x equals to 0. Yes. This is linear equation in one variable. But a should not be 0. Okay. So here we have the definition. Similarly, if we go for two variable, ax plus by plus c equals to 0, a should not be equals to 0, b should not be equals to 0. And for three variable, you can see the presentation. So generally we have in our syllabus only first one, that is linear equation one variable. Okay, thank you.